Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Seeking Alpha mobile app works. Seeking Alpha is a financial news and investment research app designed for active investors who want in-depth analysis, real-time market data, and stock performance tracking all in one place. The app provides access to professional-grade research articles, earnings call transcripts, dividend forecasts, stock ratings, and financial news. Users can follow specific stocks, ETFs, or asset classes and receive notifications tailored to their portfolio. One of the standout features is the quant rating system, which scores stocks based on value, growth, profitability, and momentum. Premium users also get access to exclusive content like top-rated stocks and author performance metrics. Some of the main pros of the Seeking Alpha app include its detailed stock analysis, access to expert and crowdsourced opinions, and a customizable news feed. The ability to track portfolios and receive instant alerts makes it convenient for mobile investors. However, cons include limitations on article access for free users and occasional app crash or lag, especially on older devices. Premium features are also locked behind a paid subscription. Real user feedback suggests that the app is highly valued by experienced investors for its depth and diversity of analysis. Many users appreciate the unique mix of professional insight and community-driven content. However, some complain about aggressive upselling of the premium plan and bugs in the app's search or notification systems. If you're an investor looking for deeper market insights beyond basic stock tracking, Seeking Alpha can be a powerful tool, especially with a premium subscription. It's best suited for users who want to supplement their investment decisions with expert analysis and community opinions. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.